What I am asking in example 9, k, y is equal to k is a solutions of the equation, is a solutions of the equation 5x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. We will observe in this one. What I am asking in this one? If x is equal to 2k plus 1 and y is equal to k is a solutions of the equation 5x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Find the value of k. First we will write given condition. Given equation is 5x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is my equation number 1. We'll write x is equal to 2k plus 1 and y is equal to k is a solutions of the equation 1. I will write if x is equal to 2k plus 1 comma y is equal to k are the solutions of equation 1. That implies what I have to write? I will substitute x with 2k plus 1, y with k. We will write 5 into 2k plus 1 plus 3 into k minus 7 is equal to 0. How to write in this one? 5 into 2k is 10k plus 5 plus 3k minus 7 is equal to 0. 10k plus 3k is 13k. Okay, 5 minus 7 is minus 2 equal to 0. That is 13k is equal to 2. K is equal to 2 by 13 will write. 2 by 13 will write. We will write this one. Okay, Naina. After now, I am going to exercise 6.2. I will write their first question. Find 3 different solutions. Find 3 different solutions of the each of the following equations. And the first one is 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. Second one is y is equal to 6x. Third one is 2x minus y is equal to 7. Fourth one is 13x minus 12y is equal to 25. After that, fifth one is 10x plus 11y is equal to 21. After that, sixth one is x plus y is equal to 0. This is the first question. This is the first question. Here 10x plus 11y will become 21. I will take first one. What I am asking in this given problem? Find three different solutions of each of the following equations. First, I will take given equation, that is 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. First, I will take, let x is equal to 0. I have to substitute in this given equation, that I will write 3 into 0 plus 4y is equal to 7. 3 into 0 is 0. Remaining is 4y is equal to 7. I have to write y is equal to 7 by 4. That way I have to write the point x comma y is, where x is 0, y is 7 by 4, will take 0 comma 7 by 4. This is the one solution. After we'll take, let y is equal to 0, then that implies 3x plus 4 into 0 will become 7. That I will write 3x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7 by 3 will write. We will observe. Again we have to write the order pair of x comma y is, where x is 7 by 3, y is 0. We'll write this one 7 by 3 comma 0. After now I am going to next one, that is, let x is equal to 1. We will substitute in this given equation. What I have to write? 3 into 1 plus 4y will become 7. That is, 4y is equal to 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 will become 4. 4 and 4 will be cancelled. That is, value y is 1. I have to write in this one, order pair of x comma y is, where x is 1, y is also 1. We'll take the point 1 comma 1. We will write this one. Okay, Nana? After now I will explain second one. Given equation is y is equal to 6x is given. First I will take, let x is equal to 0. That means y is equal to 6 into 0. Will write 6 into 0 is 0. That is the value of y. X equal to 0, then y is also 0. Will write the order pair of x comma y is 0 comma 0. After we'll take let y is equal to 0. What we have to write? 0 is equal to 6 into x. This value becomes this side. 0 by 6 is equal to x. Then that implies x equal to 0 by any value will become 0. Here we have to write the order pair x comma y is equal to, where x is 0. After we'll take y is also 0. That is the point 0 comma 0. After we'll take, let x is equal to 1. We have to take any value. Okay, మీరు 0 0 1 తీసుకోవాలనే రూల్ లేదన్నా, మీ ఇష్టం వచ్చిన వాల్యూస్ తీసుకోవచ్చు. నేను సింపుల్ గా ఆన్సర్స్ వస్తాయన్నాయి ఇవి తీసుకుంటున్నా. లెట్ x is equal to 1. We will write this one. Y is equal to 6 into 1 will write 6 into 1 is 6. That is the point x comma y is, where x is 1, there y is also 6. These are the three solutions of given equations. After now I am going to next one, that is third one is 2x minus y is equal to 7 will given. This is the given equation. I will take, let x is equal to 0. Given one can be written as 2 into 0 minus y will become 7. That is, 2 into 0 will become 0. That means minus y is equal to 7. I have to write in this one y is equal to minus 7. Here we'll take the value x is equal to 0, then y is minus 7. That I will write x comma y is equal to 0 comma minus 7 will write. After we'll take next point, that is let y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. What we have to write? 2x minus 0 will be 7. 2x is equal to 7 will write x is equal to 7 by 2. That is the point. X comma y is equal to 7 by 2 comma 0 will take. After now I am going to next one, that is let x is equal to 1 will take. Then that implies 2 into 1 minus y will become 7. Minus y will become that side, that I will write plus y. 2 minus 7 will become y, that is y is equal to minus 5. That is the point. X comma y is equal to 1 comma minus 5 will write. After now I am going to fourth one. What I am asking in fourth one, 13x minus 12y will become 25. First we'll take let x is equal to 0, then that implies 13 into 0 minus 12y is equal to 25. 0 into any value will become 0. Remaining we have to write minus 12y is equal to 25. Y is equal to 25 by minus 12. That I will write minus 25 by 12. We have to write their order pair. X comma y is equal to 0 comma minus 25 by 12 will write. After we'll take the point let y is equal to 0. Here we have to write 13x minus 12 into 0 will become 25. 0 into any value is 0. That I will write 13x is equal to 25. Remaining we have to write x is equal to 25 by 13. That is the solution. X comma y is 25 by 13 comma 0 will write. After we'll take let x is equal to 1. I have to substitute in this one. 13 into 1 minus 12y will become 25. Minus value will become that side, that I will write. 13 minus 25 is equal to minus 12y will become that side, that is 12y will write. That is the point. Minus 12 is equal to 12y. 12 and 12 will be cancelled. That is the point. Y is equal to minus 1. We have to write their order pair. X comma y is equal to 1 comma minus 1 will write. 1 comma minus 1 will write. Okay, Nana. After now I am going to fifth one. That is 10x plus 11y is equal to 21 is given. First I will take let x is equal to 0. Here I have to write 10 into 0 plus 11y will become 21. 0 into any value is 0. Remaining we have to write 11y is equal to 21, where y is 21 by 11 will write. I have to write their order pair, that is x comma y is 0 comma 21 by 11 will write. This is the point. After we'll take the next point, that I will take let y is equal to 0. I have to substitute in this one, that I will write 10x plus 11 into 0 is equal to 21 will write. 0 into any value is 0. Remaining we have to write 10x is equal to 21. Then x is equal to 21 by 10 will write. That is the point. X comma y is equal to 21 by 10 comma 0 will write. After now I am going to the last point, that x is equal to 1. I have to substitute in this given equation, that I will write 10 into 1 plus 11y will become 21. 10 into 1 is 10. Remaining we have to write 11y is equal to 21 minus 10, where y is nothing but 11 by 11. Both will be cancelled. That is the value y is equal to 1. We have to write in this solution x comma y is equal to 1 comma 1 will write. After now I am going to last problem in this section. That is the point. Sixth one is x plus y is equal to 0. This is the given equation. We have to write, first we'll take let x is equal to 0. Remaining we have to write 0 plus y is equal to 0. Then y is also 0. That I will write x comma y will write 0 comma 0. After we'll take let y is equal to 0, then that implies, okay, x plus 0 will become 0. That I will write x is also 0. That is the order pair x comma y is 0 comma 0 will write. After now I am going to, will take the point x is equal to 1. That I will write 1 plus y is equal to 0. Then y is equal to minus 1 will write. That is the point x comma y is 1 comma minus 1 will write. Okay, Nana. After now I am going to next problem. That is, if 0 comma a and b comma 0 are the solutions of the following linear equations. Find small a and b. Find small a and b. Here the first problem is 8x minus y will become 34. Second one is 3x is equal to 7y minus 21. After that, third one is 5x minus 2y plus 3 will become 0. Okay, Nana, we will observe in this one. What I am asking in this first one? First one is 8x minus y is equal to 34 is given. We'll observe in this one. Here, what I am asking in this one means, if 0 comma a and b comma 0 are the solutions of the following linear equations. First, I will take the point 0, comma a. Let I will take the point 0, comma a. We will substitute in equation 1. This is equation 1. Will write 0, comma a, substituting in 1. Then that implies, we'll observe. This is the order pair of x, comma y, where x is 0, y is a. We'll write in this one 8 into 0 minus, where y will become a, is equal to 34. 8 into 0 is 0. Remaining we have to write minus a equal to 34. Otherwise we'll write a equal to minus 34. We'll write this is the value of a. After we'll find out the value b. Otherwise we have to write the point b, comma 0. Let b, comma 0 substituting in 1. B, comma 0 substituting in 1 means b, comma 0 is a solution of given equation. That I will write, where x is b, y is 0, will write that is 8b minus 0 is equal to 34, will write that is 8b is equal to 34. Okay, fourth, 2 4s, 2 1s, 2 7s, that is the value b is equal to 17 by 4. That is the value b is equal to 17 by 4. Finally, in this problem, find a and b values. That is, I will write where a is minus 34, b is 17 by 4, will write. These are the values of given equation. After now, I am going to second one. What is given the equation? 3x is equal to 7y minus 21 is given. Plus 7y will become this side, that I will write 3x minus 7y is equal to minus 21. This is my equation number 1. Okay, first we will take, let the point a, comma 0, let 0, comma a substituting in 1, we'll write in this one 3 into 0 minus 7 into a is equal to minus 21. Minus 7a equal to minus 21. Minus and minus will be cancelled. 7 1, 7 3 is 21. That is the point a is equal to 3. After we'll take the point let b, comma 0 substituting in 1. What we have to write in this one? 3 into b minus 7 into 0 will become minus 21. That is the point 3b is equal to minus 21. 3 1s, 3 7s. That is the point b is equal to minus 7. We will write their values. That is, a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 7. These are the values of a and b. After now, I am going to third one. That is the point. Here we have to write 5x minus 2y is equal to plus 3 will become this side, that I will write minus 3. First we will take the point, let 0, comma a substituting in 1, we'll write this one 5 into 0 minus 2 into a is equal to minus 3, that is minus 2a is equal to minus 3, a is equal to 3 by 2, we'll write. We'll observe a value we will find. After we'll find, let b, comma 0 substituting, b, comma 0 substituting in 1. So I have to substitute in this one. 5b minus 2 into 0 will become minus 3. 5b is equal to minus 3. That is the point b is equal to minus 3 by 5. Finally, we have to write the point a is equal to 3 by 2. B is equal to minus 3 by 5 will write. These are the 2 points. How to write these 2 problems? After I will explain next problem. Okay, after now I am going to next problem. After now I am going to third problem. Check which of the following is solution of the equation 2x minus 5y is equal to 10. And the first point is 0, 2. Second point is 0, minus 2. Third point is 2 root 3, minus root 3. Yeah, so I'm sorry. Even third one is 5, 0. Fourth one is 2 root 3, minus root 3. Fifth one is 1 by 2, 2. 1 by 2, 2. You'll observe. Already I will explain these type of problems. First, serial number. After we'll take pair of values. After we'll take pair of values. After we'll take value of LHS. After we'll take value of RHS. After we'll take relation between LHS and RHS. After we'll take solution or not. Solution or not. We'll observe. First, I will take serial number 1. Pair of values is 0, 2. Pair of values means that I will take x, y. Where x is 0, y will become 2. After we'll write value of LHS. What about the value of LHS in this given equation? That I will write 2x minus 5y. After we'll take value of RHS. Value of RHS will become 10. Value of RHS will become 10. We'll observe in this one. First we'll take x with 0, y with 2, substituting in this given one, that I will write 2 into 0 minus 5 into 2 is minus 10. That is the value of LHS. RHS is 10. Minus 10 does not is equal to 10. That I will write LHS is not is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS means 0, 2 is a solution of 2x minus 5y is equal to 10. Both are not equal to 0. Not equal to means it is not a solution. It is not a solution. It is not a solution means I will take into. After now I am going to second one. The point is 0, minus 2. X will substitute 0, y will substitute minus 2. That I will write 2 into 0 minus 5 into minus 2 will write, that is 0 into any value is 0, minus into minus will become plus, 5 to 10. Their RHS values are also 10. We'll observe in this one. LHS is 10, RHS is 10, that I will write. LHS is equal to RHS means that is the point 0 comma minus 2 is a solution of 2x minus 5y is equal to 10. After now I am going to third one, that is the point 3, 5 comma 0. The x value is 5, y value is 0. We will substitute in this one. 2 into 5 minus 5 into 0 is equal to 2 5 is 10. 10 minus 0 will become 0. Their RHS are also 10. That I will write. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS means 5 comma 0 is a point of 2x minus 5y is equal to 10. 2x minus 5y is equal to 10. After we'll take the point fourth one is 2 root 3 comma minus root 3. We have to substitute x with 2 root 3, y with minus root 3. That I will write 2 into 2 root 3 minus 5 into minus root 3. 2 into 2 root 3 is 4 root 3. Minus into minus will become plus. 5 into root 3 is 5 root 3. That is 4 root 3 plus 5 root 3 is 9 root 3 will write. Their RHS value is 10. 9 root 3 is does not equal to 10. That I will write. LHS does not is equal to RHS. LHS does not equal to RHS means 2 root 3 comma minus root 3 is not a solution of given equation. After now I am going to next one. That is the point is 1 by 2 comma 2. I will take x with 1 by 2, y with 2. What we have to write? 2 into 1 by 2 minus 5 into 2 will write. That is 2 and 2 will be cancelled. 1 minus 5 to 10. 1 minus 10 is 9 will write. 1 minus 10 is 9 will write. Their RHS value is 10. Minus 9 does not is equal to 10. That I will write. LHS does not is equal to RHS. Given one is also not a solution. Okay, Nana. After I will explain next problem. Now I am going to next one, that is find the value of k Find the value of k if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Is a solution of the equation, is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Find two more solutions. Find two more solutions. Two more solutions of the resultant equation of the resultant equation. First we'll write their equation. What is the given equation here? 2x plus 3y is equal to k. This is the given equation, but one more condition is there. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. This is my equation number 1. I will write if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of equation 1, then that implies that I will write x with 2, y with 1 in this given equation, that I will write 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to k, that is 4 plus 3 is equal to k, that is the value k is equal to 7. And I will write k is equal to 7 substituting in 1, that I will write. What by how to write 2x plus 3y is equal to, what about the value of k here? Where given k is 7. But in this problem, find two more solutions of the resultant equation. This is the resultant equation. We have to find two more solutions of this equation. First I will take, let x is equal to 0, substituting in this given equation, that I will write 2 into 0 plus 3y will become 7, that is 3y is equal to 7. I have to write y is equal to 7 by 3 will write. That is the point x comma y is equal to 0 comma 7 by 3. After we will take the next point, that is let y is equal to 0. How to write in this one? 2x plus 3 into 0 will become 7. This we have to write 2x is equal to 7. Then x is equal to 7 by 2 will write. That is the point x comma y is equal to 7 by 2 comma 0 will write. After now I am going to third one, that is that x is equal to 1. We will substitute in this given equation, that I will write 2 into 1 plus 3y is equal to 7. That is 3y is equal to 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 means this value is 5. Y we have to write 5 by 3. That finally we have to write their order pair. X comma y is 1 comma 5 by 3 will write. 1 comma 5 by 3 will write. After now, I will explain fifth one. If x is equal to 2 minus alpha and y is equal to 2 plus alpha is a solution of the equation, is a solution of the equation 3x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. 3x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. Find the value of alpha. Find three more solutions. Find three more solutions of the resultant equation. Resultant equation. We will observe in this one. What I am asking in this one, if x is equal to 2 minus alpha and y is equal to 2 plus alpha is a solutions of the equation 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. Then find the value of alpha. First we'll write given equation. We'll write this condition. That means if x is equal to 2 minus alpha and y is equal to 2 plus alpha is a solution of the equation. What is the given equation here? 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. Or the solution of the equation 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0 means I will take x with 2 minus alpha, y with 2 plus alpha in this given equation, that I will write 3 into 2 minus alpha minus 2 into 2 plus alpha plus 6 will become 0. 3 to 6. 3 into alpha is 3 alpha. 2 to 4. Plus into minus will become minus 2 into alpha is 2 alpha plus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 3 alpha minus 2 alpha is minus 5 alpha. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Plus 8 will become 0. That I will write minus 5 alpha equal to minus 8. Minus and minus will be cancelled. Alpha is equal to 8 by 5. This is the value of alpha. By this problem, find three more solutions of the resultant equation. First, I will write given equation, that is 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the given equation. We will take three more solutions of given equation, that I will write. Let x is equal to 0. We will substitute in this one. What we have to write? 3 into 0 minus 2y plus 6 will become 0. That is the value minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 2y is equal to minus 6. Minus and minus will be cancelled. 2 1s, 2 3s. That is the value y is equal to 3. We have to write their order pair. X comma y will become 0 comma 3. After we'll take the point. Let y is equal to 0, substituting in this given equation, that I will write 3x minus 2 into 0 plus 6 is equal to 0. That is 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. 3x equal to minus 6. 3 1s, 3 2s. X is equal to minus 2 will write. That is the point. X comma y is equal to minus 2 comma 0. After we'll take next one is, let x is equal to 1 will substitute in this given equation, that I will write 3 into 1 minus 2y plus 6 will become 0. That I will write. 3 minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. 3 plus 6 is 9. That is minus 2y is equal to minus 9. Minus and minus will be cancelled. That is the value y is equal to 9 by 2. We have to write their order pair. X comma y is equal to 1 comma 9 by 2. We'll write. These are the resultant three more solutions of given equation. After now, I am going to sixth one. After now, I am going to sixth one. What I am asking, if x is equal to 1 comma y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 3x plus ay is equal to 6. Find the value of a. We will observe in this one. First we will write their given equation. That is, their given equation is 3x plus ay is equal to 6. This is my equation number 1. But one more condition is given, that is, if x is equal to 1 comma y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 1. Solution of the equation 1 means I will substitute x with 1, y with 1 in this given equation. That I will write 3 into 1 plus a into 1 will write 6. That is 3 plus a is equal to 6. A is equal to 6 minus 3. That is the value a is equal to 3 will write. This I have to find out in this problem. Listen carefully, next problem. Write 5 different linear equations in 2 variables and find 3 solutions for each of them. We'll observe. If we'll take any 5 linear equations, I will take 5 linear equations. 2x plus 3y will become 5. This is one linear equation. After we'll take 4x minus 7y is equal to 6. This is another linear equation. After we'll take 5x plus 6y is equal to 22. This is one linear equation. I will take one more equation, x plus 6y is equal to 12. This is another linear equation. After we'll take the last one is 2x plus 4y is equal to 6. This is one linear equation. ఇలా మీరు 5 linear equations తీసుకొని నాన్న ఈచ్ ఈక్వేషన్ కి విల్ టేక్ 3 more solutions అన్నాడు. ఏమేమి తీసుకుంటారంటే that x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. We'll substitute this equation and this equation. We will find their 3 solutions. Okay, అదొకటి హోంవర్క్ చేసుకున్నానా, అదొకటి ఆ టైప్ లో. Okay, Nana. Today we'll complete exercise 6.2. Tomorrow I will start the examples of exercise 6.3. Okay, Nana. See you next class.